Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you're doing well. You're staying safe out there. Thank you for coming back to check out my channel. Before we get started, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, I'm back. What I want to do real quick is just show you a couple direct mail programs that I'm an affiliate with, okay? I'm an affiliate marketer. That's what I do, okay? An affiliate marketer, real quick, for those of you that don't know what that means. An affiliate marketer basically is the middle person. I do not create the products. I do not own the products that I promote. I actually just promote the product, okay? And then in return, okay, or service. Sometimes I have service or tools or an actual product, digital products or physical products. When I sell a product, I'm compensated, okay? That's how that works. It's a transaction. We sell a product, we get paid. Commission, okay? So I'm an affiliate marketer, and I have 3 direct mail programs that I am an affiliate with, okay? Let's go with this one, Impact Mailing Club. You'll see me talk about that for quite a while. A direct mail program, okay, that allows you to become a member of the club by selling lead packages, okay? They have several packages you can select from. These are targeted people, names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. So you join the club, you buy one of these packages, you become a reseller, so you can resell the package and you're compensated. You're compensated directly from the person that joins you. When they join you, they mail in to you your commission from whatever it says on your flyer. They also will mail you stamps, okay? So Impact Mailing Club. So you're buying into a lead membership. So it comes with leads, okay? And when anyone joins me, I match the amount of leads that they get in the package. That's my bonus. I'm going to match that as well as provide you with a custom letter, sales funnel, okay? And then you have marketing resources that I'm going to provide to you as well, okay? As well as my support, okay? So, mailing flyers, okay, to targeted people. Okay, then we have the Postcard Tycoon. You can go check it out at thepostcarddiva.com. Okay, this program, you're able to make $300 commissions. Okay, it comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards. Now, the company offers what they call a bonus on every 5th sale. They're going to send you 500 postcards, 500 leads, and 500 stamps. That's powerful. That's over and over and over every time you make your 5th sale. They also provide you a website. Personalized website is going to have your name and phone number on that website. Okay? Now, when you join me in this, I'm going to have your picture put on your card. It doesn't come this way, but I'm going to do that for you, as well as give you 400 leads. It comes with 250, but I'm going to add 400 onto it, okay? $300 a pop, okay? It comes with a welcome kit too, okay? Have that one. Now, Cash Cow is my latest project, okay? This one is powerful, okay? This one's $300 to get in. You're going to mail in 3 money orders, one in my name, one in my sponsor's name, one in the company's name. It comes with 100 full color postcards like you see here. All right, as a bonus, I'm going to throw in 200 leads. It does not come with leads. It does not come with a website, but I'm going to throw in 200 leads for you joining me. All right, so great program on 2 tiers though. That's the difference in this one, 2 tiers. You have 1 tier for everybody that signs up directly with you. And then when your team makes sales, you make $100 as well. 2 tiers of $100 on tier 1 and tier 2. So every time someone on your team, they sign up with you, right? They mail out their cards. You're going to be in their box too. when they mail out their cards, they're mailing for you at the same time. Okay? That's leverage. It's very powerful. Okay? So when they get paid 100, you get paid 100. Powerful. And I created a link for it. You can go to www.easypostcardincome.com and check it out. Okay? Powerful. All right? That's what I'm involved in. Direct mail marketing. It's simple. I think it's one of the easiest ways to get into affiliate marketing. If you don't want to deal with the internet, you can go offline. Okay, that's how I learned. Now, with that being said, I want to show you guys a few envelopes came in. And sometimes I don't come on here, guys, and show you guys every time I get a payment, okay? But I want to continue just to let you know that the system does work, and these programs actually do work, okay? So, let's see what we have. Now, this one I know is Impact Mailing Club because the lady has already reached out to me, and she forgot to mail her stamps. That's the other thing. It's very important, guys. When you join Impact Mailing Club, you have to send in the amount of stamps that it says. If it says send 20 stamps in, which is one book, do not send 10 in. It says 20, okay? Because what we're going to do is not confirm you in until you actually mail the correct amount of stamps in, okay? We're going to hold your payment, and the company is not going to send you your welcome kit until you follow the instructions as it states, okay? Very important. So anyway, Yadira, she's from New Mexico. Can you believe that? New Mexico. I don't know anybody in New Mexico. She's from New Mexico. You can see that. So she sent the payment. Then she said, oh, I forgot to put the stamps in there, so I'm going to send you another envelope. So that's why I have two for her. Okay? So let's check it out. And I know that's Impact because, like I said, I already reached out to her. I'm going to use this time. Okay? That way we can open this right up without messing up anything. Okay? So this one's Impact Mailing Club. You see she put on there? Ruby. Okay? So Ruby, let's go look at it. Ruby, guys, pays $300 anytime someone buys that lead package, okay? So that's nice. The most popular levels are the sapphire and the diamond, though, okay? Just so you know. Now, that's $150, okay? And the other envelope is going to have my stamps in it. I'll show you that. Now, she ended up writing the information on here, so I don't want to... She didn't use the order form, but this is what we'll do, just so you can see. This is a real person. And she put on here, Ruby, okay? So she wrote it out instead of printing out the form, and that's okay. As you can see right here, and she tells you. See, she put her name, and she specified the amount, okay? So let's open up the other one, which should have my stamps in it. Okay, let's see. I don't want to cut up the stamps. All right, let's see. Yes, there's my stamps. Thank you and welcome aboard. All right, so I'll be getting her leads out to her. This particular lead package comes with 200 leads, so I'm going to match that. So I'm going to also send her 200 leads, so she's going to end up with 400 leads that she can mail to. So there's my 150 and my 2 books of stamps. Okay? Awesome. Now, this one is from Eric. Okay? When I see Eric, I know that's either the Tycoon or Cash Cow. Okay? So, let's see. All right. cash cow, guys. Okay, I got 2 payments in here. So this 200 buckaroos. All right, let's, I don't want to, oh, they didn't put the information on here. I'm going to put these stamps over it so we don't reveal anybody's info, but you will see on here it's 2 money orders. You see that? And he puts this form in here, says the cash cow, so I know. And there's 2 people, 100, 100. So 200 bucks for the cash cow. Told you the cash cow is going bananas. Definitely want to get in that. And again, when you join me in the cash cow, I'm throwing in 200 leads for you. It doesn't come with leads, but I want to throw that in. It's hot, okay? So anyway, that's it, guys. Short and sweet. I just wanted you guys to see that these direct mail programs do work if you work the programs. And if you have any questions about any of these things, give me a call. I'm going to go ahead and put the links and the information below. Check it out if it sounds like it's something you're interested in doing. Like I said, direct mail is the easiest thing you can do. Because all you're going to do is either mail the postcards or you're going to mail flyers. You decide. And I don't know if I mentioned, let me go back. With Impact, you can make anywhere from 65 to 1,000 bucks. Okay, you're gonna make 65 every time you sell the emerald. You're gonna make 150 every time you sell the ruby. You're gonna make 300 every time you sell the sapphire, and you make 1,000 every time you sell the diamond. And they all come with leads, so you don't have to worry about, well, who am I gonna tell this to? You get leads with it. That's the whole point of the program. You're buying leads, and you become a reseller. So you can resell the lead packages that you own. So you want to own as many of these as you can so that you can resell them and receive a commission. That's it. With that being said, that's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you for coming and checking out my video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? See you guys on the next one. You guys have a blessed day.